If you ever tried making Rava Dosa at home, you probably know the struggle. It sticks, breaks and fails to get that perfect restaurant style crispiness. Making a perfect Rava Dosa is not actually that difficult. You don't need any fancy equipment. The secret is getting the right balanced ingredient and most importantly, lots of patience. In this video, I will show you all the tips and tricks to get this restaurant style Rava Dosa right in your kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of regular medium size rava. It's the same rava we commonly use for upma and it is not roasted, just regular plain unroasted rava. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of Maida, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of peppercorns. Here I have some chopped ginger, green chilies, curry leaves, coriander leaves, some coconut pieces. Actually this is my favorite one in Rava Dosa, and few cashew nuts. Let's put all this into our mixing bowl. Next, to make batter, add lots of water and make very thin batter out of this. I'm just using my hands to mix this. This helps to break up any lumps and make sure the batter is nice and lump free. It definitely needs a lot more water. Look at this, how nice and thin this batter is. This is what we want for Rava Dosa. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Exactly after 15 minutes, I'm adding salt and I'm ready to make dosa. Grease the pan with a little bit of oil or ghee. The pan is nice and hot. Take a big scoop of the batter and start pouring it all around the pan. Since this batter has plenty of water in it, it will naturally spread out and become nice and thin. As long as you have made the batter with right consistency, you do not need to worry about dosa becoming thick. After this, you really need lots of patience at this point. Let it cook slowly in medium flame. This will take at least 6 to 8 minutes. Patience is the key to getting the perfect crispy Rava Dosa. Even though it is called instant dosa, it still needs a little extra time on the pan to get that beautiful crispy golden dosa. Wow, just look at this. Perfect crispy golden Rava Dosa is ready right in front of you. Let me transfer this to a plate and show you how crispy it is. Serve it hot with spicy green chutney and enjoy the amazing crunch. If you want the chutney recipe, it's already on my channel. Please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.